Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to change the playlist picture on Spotify. The process is really easy, let's get straight to the point. So first of all, open Spotify on your phone and be sure you're logged into your account. Now this is the homepage of Spotify. To access your playlist, you'll have to go to your library. So for that, tap on the Your Library option at the bottom menu. Then you'll be able to see your playlist and everything on this page. Now to change the playlist picture for Nile, first of all, I'll have to tap on it. Once you see this page on your screen, you can either tap on the edit playlist option or the three dots above it. If you tap on the three dots, you'll be able to see this menu. And here you'll have to tap on the second option, edit playlist. After you do that, you'll see the option to change image right below your current picture. Go ahead and tap on it. Now to change the picture, you can either take a real-time photo or choose one from your gallery or other files. Once you select the picture, you'll see this kind of space on your screen. Here tap on use photo. Then you'll have to tap on the save option at the top right corner of the screen. Now wait for a few seconds. As you can see on the screen, the playlist picture has been changed. So this is it for the tutorial. I hope it was helpful. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for further tutorials. Thank you.